morning, dear children. Welcome to our English class. I hope you all are doing fine. Have you all taken your textbooks from the school? In case you do not have the textbooks, I have forwarded the PDF of English Bal Bharati and Maths textbook on your WhatsApp. So you can also refer to that. Today, in our English class, we shall take Unit 1, Story Time, Yash and Moti. Listen and repeat. As the teacher is reading, you also have to practice your reading. For this, you need to open page number 7 of your textbook. Let's begin. Yash was happy. His mother bought him new shoes. Now, even you feel happy when your parents or your friends give you some gifts or they buy you new things. So even Yash was very happy, very delighted. He woke up early in the morning. Woke up means he got up early in the morning. He went out to look at his new shoes. Oh no, he cried. Now Yash was very shocked because he could not find his shoes. There is only one shoe here. Where is my other shoe? He looked everywhere. He couldn't find it. He sat outside on a step and sobbed. Now what is the meaning of the word sobbed? Sobbed means cried noisily. When you make noise while crying. Just then Moti came and started wagging his tail. Now Moti is a pet dog of Yash. So wagging. What is the meaning of this word? Wagging means moving from side to side. So Moti was moving his tail from side to side. He barked. Wow wow. Yash looked at Moti. Moti, have you seen my shoe? Wow. Moti barked and ran to a tree in the front yard. Yash followed Moti. Followed Moti, he went after Moti. There was a hole under the tree. Yash saw his shoe in the hole. A big fat rat had carried it there. Yash picked it up. Thank God, he said. The rat has not nibbled my shoe. Children, what is the meaning of the word nibbled? Nibbled means to cut off with teeth. The mouse has teeth and it bites the things, or bitten. It is in good condition. Wow wow, Moti agreed. Thank you, Moti, said Yash. So now, after completing the lesson, we shall read the words from the story. Look and say. Shoes, morning, sobbed, wagging, barked, yard, nibbled, condition. Okay, dear children. So now I hope you have understood the story. After this, you are going to do the reading on your own. The exercise which is given at the end of the lesson, the teacher is going to send you answers to all these questions through a separate worksheet that is going to be forwarded to you on the WhatsApp. Thank you very much.